Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ahmad Askar. In this video, we will discuss about it how you can learn online courses such as digital marketing, video editing, graphic designing, affiliate marketing, blogging, dropshipping, artificial intelligence, coding, and so many other courses with free of cost even on your mobile phone which you are holding on your hand right now. No problem where you are living, if you are from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, USA, or any part of the world, you can also learn from your home. I am going to share with you all the courses with free of cost, so stay connected with me till to the end. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share it to your friends who wants to learn, and write in a comment below that which course you want to learn. At the end of this video, I will give you a golden opportunity, so don't miss the end. If you want to learn about video editing, coding, graphic designing, so I want to suggest you to visit Azad Chaiwala YouTube channel. Here you see a list of all the courses like affiliate marketing and so many other courses. And if you want to learn about artificial intelligence, then I will suggest you to visit Irfan Malak YouTube channel. He have recently uploaded a list of artificial intelligence course, so must visit here. And if you want to learn about video editing and graphic designing into the advanced level, I will suggest you to must visit GFX Mentor. And if you like to learn about bitcoins, crypto trading, and network marketing, I will suggest you to visit Pushkar Raj Thakur and Vakar Zaka. He have uploaded a plenty of playlists on crypto trading and network marketing, so must visit these platforms to learn about coding, JavaScript, C++, and so many other languages. And so you must visit about Code with Hari. Is an amazing channel which I have ever seen. He have covered from basic to advanced everything which you need to learn in programming, so must visit this channel. Now coming to the point, if you want to learn about the e-commerce, about Amazon virtual assistant, private label dropshipping, etc., so I will suggest you to follow Shahid Anwar. He have plenty of knowledge and made millions of dollars from Amazon. These are the channels which through you can learn about any courses you want to learn. Okay, if you want to learn all these courses in an advanced level, I will suggest you to must visit Ishan Sharma and WSQ Tech. It's an amazing channel, WSQ Tech, where you will find a lot of the courses about everything. You must visit this channel. And if you belong to an internationally, like from USA or from English very well, then I will suggest you to visit Gravy YouTube channel and Iman Gazad. So now come to the point that which apps companies also provide online courses with certificate. So there are many companies like Google, Udemy, Coursera, and a lot of and other applications which provide us online courses with certificate, but they will also little bit few dollars from $5 to $20 for each course. But don't worry, I will make another separate video that how you can enroll on these international platforms with free of cost, so I will make a separate video on it. There is also a confusion that how to select a course or which course will suit me or which course I have to learn. This is also a confusion of the students, so I will also make a separate video on it, that how you can choose a best or suitable course for you in the next video. So connect with me. Last but not the least, want to get their advanced paid course worth of thousands of dollars in just a few hundred rupees, you can contact with me by WhatsApp. I have mentioned my contact number in the comment below, so contact with me right now. So let me know in the comment box that which course or YouTube channel is your favorite YouTube channel, and which YouTube channel you already know about it. Let me comment below. I will see you in the next video. Till the time, take care.